Alrighty then, we should be live. How's my own audio? Apparently non-existent. Oh, there we go. How's my own audio? Oh, apparently non-existent. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's crusty. Okay, let's try here. How's my own audio? Oh, apparently non-existent. Oh, there we go. How's my own audio? Oh, apparently non-existent. Wait a minute. What is happening? Okay. 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 Testing myself. Okay. Test. Okay. Alright, well, Alright, so we got some crust going on, but that's okay, I guess. I hope it's not, like, too crusty, but... Anyway. Moving on. Oh, that's right. Ignore this, by the way. These are, artificial CPU instructions. Have you learned in ASM and learning how to, like, emulate processors and hookers? Okay, anyway. Wait, I don't think it went live, did it? I'm stupid. Did it go on? Like, I know I was on the page, but did it actually go live? It's a live chat. I'm streaming. What? Wait, I'm sorry. I thought I sent it. Okay, so yeah, we did. Well, obviously, because Nat's here. But I was wondering if it actually started or not, because I know sometimes you gotta like manually click the stupid thing. Yeah, I know. It's weird. Like I don't know why it's so loud. Hold on, let me. Pavu control. No. It's easy effects. Easy effects. Input. Compressor. Okay, let's do that, and then I will lower the overall volume. Pavu control. Should have done that to begin with. Yeah, it's so crusty. Here we go. That better? Maybe. Well, I guess I wouldn't change anything because that's before it gets passed through. So let me. Here we go. Alrighty, much better. Much better. Okay. Is that less crusty? Right, so now I'm gonna open recent game engine. Yeah, but I mean it was like clipping, making it like real stanky. So we're actually gonna be doing some canvas rendering stuff this time. How much stuff was I doing here? Golly. You know what? Look at my pop-up. My pop-up is popped up. What? So, I tweaked this a little bit here. You can see, like, click it now to reveal it. So I do need to finish tweaking this. So let me mouse over. We'll do let's see. Is active. Yeah. So we'll have the is active variable kind of based on. Yep. Yep, we will indeed. So So like the map editor feature thing, hang on, let me, yeah, we'll just do it this way. Equals true, false. If is active equals true, then it's gonna do that. Need a way to hide all the other things. We don't even need the else here. Okay, so we need an array of this dot drop downs. What's that? New UL, and then this dot drop downs dot push. New UL. I'll comment this stuff later. So what we need to do here is if it's active, then this dot drop downs dot map D, and then we'll say D dot remove, wait, D dot style dot display equals none. All right, so now, even though we only have one thing here, I need to make it also able to, you know what, let's make this a function. Close nav drop downs. And we'll say window dot close nav drop downs. This function. No, I don't need to do it that way. So yeah, we do that there. And we also need it here as well. So we're gonna close all the drop downs. Close on the drop downs. And then we'll do document dot body dot add event listener. We'll say mouse down E, and then console.log e.target.class list. You know what? Matter of fact, I already know this right here works. So I'm not even gonna try that. All right, so there's no point in console logging something if I already know. Let's see. It should be. Yeah, we'll give everything a class. So e.target.class list dot contains. Let's say GE nav. Yeah, we'll call it that. We'll call it GE nav. Then return. Otherwise, it's closes all the nav dropdowns. Okay, so we're gonna give the li class list dot add GE nav li. We want to give it another class as well. We don't even need that actually. We can do it that way. And then the new UL, we also want to give a class like that. Okay. So now, whenever the file is open here, if we click anywhere else that's not the file, it closes everything. But it doesn't shift the is active thing. Toggle, wait, active state, and then we'll say is active equals active state. So this will be true, will be false, this will be false, and this will be, oh, false. Foxay. It'll be Foxay. There we go. So now, yeah. Excellent. So we have our working drop-down menu. So let's go ahead and add the I don't know, this might actually be a bit of a longer stream. That's not. Yeah, there we go. So let's see. We're gonna need the file, of course. Where's my greens? That doesn't make sense. Okay, so yeah, we'll do that one for now, and then we'll do label edit. We don't need these comments here. I'll comment it later more properly. Nato. Arigato, arigato. Yeah, no, I'm much more excited today about this than I was yesterday. But yeah, so we're gonna do edit, and the edit menu needs, well, we don't need actions at all for things. It will have, first off, where are my text thingies that I had? Did I close them? Son of a bitch. You know what? Let's use Google's icon base thing. Okay, so we want settings. We're gonna have to download the SVG version because we're gonna be using those. Maybe we should use the PNG versions. Yeah, let's just use PNG. We might use the little drop down here, but no, we already have a little character for that in UTF-8, but we want the images to be consistent. So that arrow downward. Key, because we're probably going to have an encryption. What else we're going to need? Oh, there's a menu thing. We can use that. Well, we already have our cool little menu thing. Gonna grab some ice water because the room's way too freaking hot. Dude, the heat is insane lately. Library ad? Yeah, we're gonna. That one, keyboard, double arrow left. We're gonna need something like a. Yeah, so we're gonna need like file things. Let's see. Okay, yeah, save. We're definitely gonna need. Folder for open. We're gonna need that icon. And open folder because I plan on having like the tree system thing. We're gonna need to create a new folder. And this is file open. Need that. Content. Paste. I need like an extract kind of emote. That's for the delete. We'll just use a like a little trash can. Or do a delete. I think we're good on these. Customize cinematic bar? That's pretty cool. Okay, so we'll do trash for delete. There you go. Now we need like a play Yeah, we'll use the Stadia controller. I gotta find out what Benji's barking about as well. One sec. Really dang on that belly. Yeah, so that's also for the engine. Although I am gonna be doing the map editor first, but I think we're good on icons now for the file for like the nav menu. No, we need resource importing, right? Yeah. Import. SD card alert. Ode. Here we go. Well, you will use the upload thing for that. And I think we're good now. Okay. So to import these, I'm going to use a little bit of Linux magic. I'm going to do, well, first off, contain folder here. CD into this, and then CP downloads star.png / resources. Let's put them here real quick. I'm gonna copy like all the images and stuff that we got. Okay. Now we're gonna move these into an icons folder. ARR down. New folder. Delete. File open. Folder. Folder open. Key. Library add. Well, oh, that was our resource thing. Yeah. No, it wasn't. New lib. Save. Settings. Playtest. Resource import, and then actually we did need one more. Huh. Yeah, like a little hard drive, that'll work. Okay. So now, we are done with that, and we can do things. I don't. Okay, so instead of like this sort of a setup here, what we're gonna do is this will be new, and then the icon will be. Dang it, I already forgot the name of the icons. We'll say where is it? File open. Yeah. .png. Heck, we don't even need the .png part. We'll just do that. I ain't worried about the class list, so we can just get rid of that. Now, that's weird. Oh, that's kind of annoying. Okay, anyway. Bonjour. Hello there. Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Poulaba. I want a pet Poulaba. Poulabas be Poula. And like snowy. I don't know. Anyway, let's for any of these. So, edit. We'll have. We don't want icons at the top, I guess, right? Yeah, we shouldn't have icons at the top. Be right. It's time again. Okay. Who's mad to do it? Oh, I didn't know you can do that. That's kind of cool. Control Shift I. There it is. Okay. So now, new, open. We need save as, and we need a spacer. And then we need close. No, export and then close. Window.close. Also, Nat, I'm gonna start working on the map editor part off stream as well. That way, like, I don't have to like wait until the next stream before I can make some progress for your map editor. Why is this doing that? If is active. Okay, we'll do if D is not equal to current, then return. Oh, well, we can't do it that way because we now need to make it a full-on thing. Yeah, that should be. Huh? Okay, what's happening? Okay, I'll figure this part out later. I'm excited to see the map editor features. Yeah, dude, it's gonna be dope. Let's go ahead and actually dive into that because honestly, I'm getting kind of bored of the menu. So like, we'll do the menu later. Okay, so where is? All right, so I guess we'll have it. Yeah, we'll do it right here. Okay, so in the libs, we're gonna have another thing. We'll say body. Let's just call it main. Okay. And then index.js and that. And then modules inside of the main equals document dot get element by ID main. Oh. Little ant took off, dude. Anyway, connect my Bluetooth mouse. All right, now we're in the fast zone. So, I guess we'll do a grid for that. Yeah, because I want to make it like as user friendly as possible. So I think what we'll do. Let's move you over here like that. So yeah, here's the main. Okay. Did we import main? I think we did. Yes, we did. Okay. Display grid. Position relative. Actually, we can do absolute for this. No, we can't either because. Can we? We don't need to though. Yeah, no, we're good. Okay, so then main, and we'll say we'll have like different areas of like stuff. So we'll say editor. We'll say map editor because map editor. We'll do display. Yeah, so we'll just change the class of main every time we want to do that. Or heck, we can just reveal the. Yeah, we can do it that way. Display grid. Grade template columns. We're gonna say auto and then 1FR. That means fill remaining. So that's gonna be like a little left sidebar where we're gonna have all of our main. Yeah, this is main dot map editor dot sidebar background var. We'll do bg sidebar with my variables. All right, bg sidebar. Yeah, like that, I guess. And then I will say const sidebar equals require slash modules. And then we will do index.js here. And then sidebar, I will say map editor first, and then sidebar. Yeah. So this is going to be map editor equals require modules, and then the modules will be module dot exports equals that. We can do const sidebar equals require slash map editor. We'll import it all that way. So we'll do sidebar like that, and then yeah, that's gonna help us stay really organized. Also, Tara, what up? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Okay, now moving on. Yeah, so okay, we import the map editor, that's fine. And then modules. Wait a minute. I did a thing. It's not correct. Modules equals that, and then this needs to be map editor. And then map editor needs an index ubidex. Exports equals that. And then we do the sidebar thing. So sidebar equals fire sidebar. Yeah, so now we should do modules dot map editor dot side dot reveal, I guess we'll say. So we'll do class map editor. And this is gonna be me taking a drink of my Coca-Cola. That has gone flat now, so I will not drink it. Instead, I'll drink my coffee. Yeah, okay. So this will have sidebar thing crawling on me. And that's going to be document. No, it's not. It's going to be sidebar dot create this. Maybe we'll put this in the constructor. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we'll do. This dot container equals document dot create element div. This dot container dot class list dot add this dot map map editor. We'll say CNT main as well for like container main. Well, we don't need to though. It is a good idea to be consistent with that, but we'll say container and then main. Yeah, container main map editor. And Benji's barking again. Also, I am craving Coca-Cola, so I got a different one and just needed that one. The thing's old. I gotta get into the habit of actually drinking the thing, because like I'm a lot better at it, but I used to like really waste them, and I hated wasting them. It's just like I would get so busy like with programming and stuff, I would just like completely forget that I had a drink. All right. Anyways, what are we doing? Okay, container, and then we'll say this dot container. We'll say new sidebar, new sidebar. Yeah, we'll say we'll underscore these. And we will append it to, yeah. So we can probably do it this way here. That. Where is, okay. So that will be, yeah, okay, cool, cool. We can do it this way. const map editor equals new modules dot map editor, and then in the argument here we'll say main, where it applies it to, and then we'll do dot reveal. Oh, it's already down here. Get ready to do that. Parent.append child, this dot container, this dot parent equals parent. Okay. We'll say this dot initialize parent. Just to keep the constructor like a little bit cleaner. Okay, so did it apply? It did not. Why? Oh, because the dot reveal is not a thing for one, and then two, we didn't even. Yeah. So yeah, we'll do it that way. Oh, hold on. What? Oh. Interesting. So it was never being called anyways. Oh. We're gonna get an error here, but oh, well. Yeah, that's what I figured. Can I find another sidebar? What are you talking about? Oh yeah, we didn't even make the sidebar thing yet. It's going to give us another error. Modules.map editor is not a constructor. Maybe modules equals require modules. Map editor. Oh, yeah, because we didn't actually export the thing. Okay. Now we can go to the sidebar. Where was it? Did I not make it? Yeah, I did. It's right here in front of me. Okay. So now, class, sidebar. Just like I did with the map editor thing here, I'm just going to copy this and use it as a boilerplate. Okay. Now this is going to be very slightly different. This initialize parent. This is a container. We don't need sidebar thing anymore. Everything else should play into part now. Let's do that. And then module.exports equals sidebar. It still says map editor is not a constructor. Yes, it is. And modules. Here goes new modules on map editor. Okay, how about this then? Console.log module. Tell me what the modules are. Map editor is undefined. Why are you undefined? Modules. Oh. It's because I did that. There we go. There's a map editor, and it should have a sidebar thing. So if we go here, it's not here. Constructor, this uninitialize. Parent.append child, this is a container. What the what? Parent.append child is not a function in the sidebar. What? Why would it not be? Because the parent here is that parent is parent. Good. Parent dot append child this dot container. Yeah, so what is a parent then? Global is window. What? No. Yeah, that's what I thought. No, what? Huh? That one makes sense. Why is... Okay, let's go back to the app. A equals that. Main. Oh, yeah, I don't know. It's because Okay, so that imports that, right? And that's fine. And this imports that, and this... Here we go. That's fine. We can get rid of that there. And, here, actually, I'm just gonna copy and paste these. Put it here. So after the nav, we're gonna put an arrow function. Main, what's that? So let's just do it that way. $sign main. Attica. By ID main. Is that the only issue? Where's my index? No, ID is definitely main. So what do you mean map editor is not defined? Oh yeah. New main.modules. Wait a minute. Really? Huh. Yeah, I didn't think so. Modules equals modules. Oh. Then the modules and imports that, yeah. There we go. Kinda. Why is the sidebar still being created, dude? I thought I got rid of the... Huh? Why is it doing like the entire window? Oh! I'm dumb. There we go. Let me go back to the header CSS here. Okay, so now I need to do, well, this. Okay, let's rename this from nav to header nav. And then just clean this up like this. We don't have a double variable name. Okay. Okay, we'll do const main pages equals that, and then map editor. Okay, so now it's gonna clean it up. And what we're gonna do is say, okay, where's our main CSS again? No. Okay, so the main.map editor should be height 100%. There we go. But we need to programmatically have that like that for some reason. Okay. Why is that like that? Okay. This is interesting. No, I don't want to do it that bootleg way. So the header nav is being pushed down. We need to somehow. Okay, yeah. So what we'll do is. Okay. Yeah, so what we'll do is margin top 1.5 EM. It's gonna bootleg it, but okay, that's perfect actually. No, that's right. We forced this to be a 1.5 EM size thing. That's right. And we'll do Z index of 1, position, relative, and then the height just needs to be calc 100% minus 3 EM because that's going to be the, yeah. Okay, so now, there you go. Then again, I guess not, because, why is it doubling? Libs. Yeah, there's nothing else is creating a thing. So why is it happening twice? Like, why is it putting? Oh, I'm dumb. This needs to be sidebar. Yeah. Yeah. So there's a sidebar. Height 100%. So I guess we just need to do 100% height for this as well, because it. Yeah. No, because that does that. What? Oh gosh, man. Now we're having like a math problem. That means I'm doing something wrong. So if we don't do the margin top, then it tries to overlay on top of the thing here. Well, it should be okay as long as like we have our contents pushed down. But we don't know how to properly do that. So I'm gonna edit the nav function here to get an ID. Parent UID. Actually, no, we can do it this way. There's a yeah. Okay, so we can do assign header nav to window for global access. Window dot header nav equals header nav. So now we can do this. Yeah, now we can do. Okay. We'll do const main container equals at yeah, const body container, we'll call it. So yeah, the body container. Okay, yeah, this should work good. This will work good. Let's do that. And then after we assign that, we're gonna do body container dot style dot height equals, and then we'll do resize to fit nav size. So we'll do an IIFE real quick, and inside of the IIFE, we will do const height equals should be header nav dot get bounding client rect. Yeah, and then so we'll say height is going to be equal to 100% minus, and then height pixels. Yeah, and we'll say margin top will be set to the height of the pixel. And now that should bump it down enough. No, I don't know how to get down. Oh, yeah. No. Okay, so we need to do container. Yeah, reading. Okay. Well, that's fine. We'll just add the rect function to the header. Nav. I need to rename .container to .underscore to keep consistency. It's very important. Okay. This .container .get bounding client. Okay. So now I want to add this function here to the Excellent. So now, as you can see, it's pushed down and it's resized properly without having to do any weirdness with the CSS. Okay, good. Interesting. Oh. Weird. Anyway, width. We'll say the min width will be 192 pixels. So now we should have our sidebar. Excellent. And box shadow for each. Well, no, just a here. Var sh box. Hey, chocolate. Come here, baby. My boo boo's awake. Where my variables go? Oh, right here, isn't it? Box default. I like that, but at the same time, let's just do this. Border, var, side, okay, BD, sidebar. BD, sidebar. Solid one. Let's do dashed 1 pixel and then var. We'll do what? We'll do the we'll do mid 2. Yeah, mid to alpha. We wanted to have like an alpha to it. 0 F. Capitalize the F here. Okay, maybe not 0 F. 2 F. Only apply that to the border. Oh, no, it's a little bit too bright, so let's make. Yeah, I like that. It's very subtle. It's there. Okay. Now that we have our little menu doohickey thing, guess we'll go ahead and do the CSS for the canvas. We'll import. We'll have another folder called Pages, Map Editor. Yeah, we'll move that here. Map editor. Well, yeah. So then. And the defaults will be where we put our canvas stuff. IMG canvas. We want to remove the interpolation from the thing. So how we do that? Some people will be like, okay, just double the red. No, you don't need to do all that. There's a very simple trick. You do image rendering, pixelated for Chrome, and crisp edges for Microsoft Edge and all that. And no, I mean Firefox. Optimized speed is for like Edge and stuff like that. Be right back. Yep. All right, I'm back. That was my loader. Think you're gonna grab a snack? Okay. Just I guess lucky that snacks don't grab you. Camping. No, okay. So what this here does, basically it makes it use nearest neighbor instead of like bilinear scaling or whatever the heck the other method it has is. So we also want to do object fit contain, and the reason we want to do that is because in our playtest thing, if we do decide to go JS instead of C, well, we can still go C, kind of be really difficult. But anyways, in our little playtest thing, when we resize the window, it and like the canvas like stretches to it, it'll still maintain its own aspect ratio based on the canvas size. So we can safely do width 100% and height 100% because our canvas will no longer be like, hey, I'm gonna stretch the image now. We're gonna do position absolute, top 0 pixels, left 0 pixels. Okay, now that we have that, we have our initialize. Now we do this dot create canvas. And then I'll also do this dot create sidebar. And then put that in here. I. Okay. And that's what we're gonna. Yeah. You know what? Matter of fact, we'll just clean the whole thing up like this. Create container. Okay. this dot canvas equals document dot create element canvas. And this dot ctx equals this dot canvas dot get context 2D. I guess we'll do window.add event listener resize e, and we'll say this dot canvas dot width. Well, we'll just do this dot canvas dot resize. No, we'll just do render. What am I doing? This dot render be fine. And then yeah. So we'll pass optional arguments here through the things. So we'll do width and height. So we'll do width height equals this dot container. No, this dot canvas dot get bounding client rect instead, and that'll tell the actual width and height of the canvas instead of like the rendering width and height. And pretty much everything RPG Maker does, but better. Well, I say better, but not really. That's made by an entire team, but you know. Yeah, it's basically gonna be like RPG Maker but 3D. Well, with 3D capability, not focused on 3D, but. And we're gonna be doing everything from scratch. So we're gonna be doing all the 3D rendering from like raw WebGL, which is gonna be a really amazing learning experience. So. Yeah, pretty much anything that you can imagine. Anything that you can do in modern like 2D game engines and some 3D, depending. That all depends on how difficult OpenGL is going to be, though. It shouldn't be too difficult to translate it into C if we decide to use like the C thing. Yeah. Okay. There. Render. This, yeah, okay. If, okay, yeah, width and height. This dot canvas, okay, we'll do this. Const canvas. This dot canvas. CTX equals this dot CTX. Canvas dot width. It's width. It's dot height equals height. Else, we're just gonna say canvas dot width equals itself, and that's how you clear the. That's an optimal way of clearing the render as well. Actually, no. You'd be surprised, Nat. Check this out. Hold on. OpenGL 3D Cube WebGL code demo. Like, you'd be surprised how not that difficult it is. Like you have all these number things here, but we can actually write a tool that would like let us do all this stuff for us. But yeah, that's pretty much all it takes. They're using mask.js for matrix rotations and stuff. But I'm gonna be trying to figure out like my own matrix transformations and stuff like that. See if I can figure out how to do the rotations and all that stuff as well. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. And yeah, I'd probably if I start to feel burnout coming on, I'll probably just like focus on something else. I'll try to anyway. Let's see how that goes. Okay. Yeah, and then we're gonna do this dot container dot append child. This dot the background blank. So now there should be a canvas here. Yeah, but it's why are you doing that there? Okay, why? That's weird. So we'll do main dib. Huh. Oh. Huh? Huh? That's very strange. That's what I thought. Okay, so I guess we're not going to be doing such an absolute. I guess we don't need to, do we? Interesting. How strange. We'll just do relative. Huh. But it doesn't matter because it should automatically do this anyways. So yeah, now we can go to absolute. What? Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, so we made the sidebar, but we didn't make the actual map thing. So we'll do make create sidebar, we'll do create map editor. Yeah, and then editor is going to be document.create element, dib. Yeah, now we can do the thing. Main dib. Maybe we can do it that way. Yeah. This dot container dot append child this dot editor. And for consistency, I think we need to make this a module as well. Editor. Kind of a hooker. Main editor. I'm gonna leave that blank for now because we don't need to stylize it just yet. Yo! Hi Drunks, what up? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Let's see. I don't wanna do editor. Yeah, okay. So just to make sure that it's consistent and clean, do new editor. Designer is really cool. Thank you. I'm glad you like it. Create map editor is not a function. Oh, I doubled up the create sidebar. Create map editor. But then it's still like that for some reason. Oh, yeah, because I didn't, okay. So I want to add another function to the thing here. We're going to say add child. Parent. Wait. Yeah, so we'll do that. Yeah. And then we'll do this dot container dot append child dot underscore. Okay, what we'll do equals. Yeah, so we'll do child equals child dot container or child. Yeah, so we can actually do that all in one thing here. Man, let me test that once you have the function set up. Once you build Super Umpro Pro, a platformer similar to Mario Bros. We can, yeah, we could do that. It'd be better. It'd probably be like the jankiest bootleg of all time, but it'd be, yeah, it'd be fun. Yeah, that'd be a cool idea to, really test the editor and see how powerful it becomes and stuff like that. So now editor.addChild, this.canvas. So yeah, now our canvas will align properly, and we have our little sidebar here perfectly. However, the menu does not appear above, so we'll fix that later though, because I don't want to get back to the menu right now. Well, actually, it only took but a second, so let me go ahead and header nav C index, we'll say 500. Okay, that doesn't do anything. So we need to have UL header menu. Here we go. C index. There we go. All right. Let me go ahead and also header menu UL. Wait. No, we don't. We no longer need the that li. Display block, and then position relative, and then that should make the drop down better. Yeah, but dang, we have a lot of opens. I forgot to rename them. Anyway, yeah. Compared to QMap editor, speaking of map editing, we're actually about to get straight to that. In the resources, though, I'm going to need some test tiles. So let's go to itch.io and tools, not tools, where is it? Resources, game assets, here. Dang, some of these are really good, dude. Dude, okay, I might be broke AF, but if anyone wants to support some of these, golly, there's a lot of really good looking assets, dude. Yeah, let's use this. I like this one. That is nice, yeah. That's how it should be too. Pixel art, okay. And maybe, you know what, fine. Do I not have the thing open anymore? Yeah, projects, YouTube, game engine, app, resources, test images. I gotta unzip this. I don't need a Unity package out of that. Okay, so yeah, you know what? We'll just we'll just keep them in there. Okay, so what we're gonna do, and then I'm gonna add like a little credit thing. Sources here. There. All right. I'm gonna make in the sidebar here, I'm gonna make the tile set viewer. Okay, so for this, we're gonna need display grid templates. Rows should be what? 1FR and then auto. Yeah. Oh, and Benji's whining again. What? Yeah, he's alright. He's just wolfing at another doggo. Getting his arf on. Yo, what up? Indonesia. Greetings from the USA. But yeah, welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Although in about 15 more minutes, I might be ending the stream because I am getting pretty tired. Okay, anyway, for now, we'll do create container like before. Are you developing an open source game engine? Or it's open source. It's mostly just for fun. It is gonna be a very functional game engine though, if it ever gets complete. I do have a Git repository, and I keep forgetting to add that to the dang description. I'll send a link before I end the stream in the chat to the Git repository. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. The challenge though is basically we're not going to be using any third-party libraries. So all the stuff that we're going to be doing, like every single bit of it. Do you want to do a raid? We could. Who do you want to raid? But not yet though. I mean, before we end. But yeah, every single aspect, from the UI to the functionality, every single thing we're going to be doing by hand. And the reason for that is because it's good to have that kind of knowledge. Like, it's good to learn how it all works inside and out. Just like I did before. Create container. We'll say create tile selector. And then yeah, and then create map selector. Other people's code to be fair. It is, but oh no, Nat, that's not a complaint. Like, I mean, I do complain a lot about how the industry works and stuff, but that's mostly because they're stupid anyways, but yeah. It's not really a complaint. It's just I don't know. That's how I like to. That's how I roll. Like, okay, look at this. RPG Maker Unity or Unite. Now this looks cool, right? RPG Maker Unite, but have a look at the UI. Like, it's not bad by any means. Don't get me wrong, but it doesn't feel refined at all. Not that I blame them. That's not, like I said, it's not a complaint, but this is one thing that I want to avoid in my engine is like this really bland looking UI. It's whatever. That looks really cool. Like, yeah. That's the one thing that I definitely want to avoid out of everything. I want to avoid like a UI that doesn't look too appealing. Unity UI is not good. Yeah, it's really not. They don't let you customize it though. So hold on. So RPG Maker Unite is like forced to use this UI. Like they can't update it if they wanted to. Oh, that's doo doo. Yeah, pretty much. But they, even as a plugin though, they don't let you like stylize the. Oh, ew, 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 ew. All right. But anyway, yeah, that's just that's if I were to complain about something, uh, that would be it though. Possible targets for you, both of them have redirects on. I don't think in order to. Oh, that's awful. Nat, why? Why is that a thing? Oh boy. uh, and get these things ready, and I think we're gonna go ahead and do the raid because I am starting to get tired. So sidebar, we'll do the imports real quick. Well, not tired because I woke up like in the afternoon, but like I don't know, like tired of streaming. I don't know. I can usually like stream for about an hour and then all like maybe arrows. I don't know. Not quite though. It's like similar to that. However, what a actually, you know what? I will. I'll keep going. Uh huh. I think we do Wendy's because I'm kind of craving the spicy. Yeah. Dessert. Alright, thank you. Bye. Be safe. Love you. Bye. That's cool. My dad's bringing home Wendy's. You know what, though? And then there's me who streamed he's over 13 hours. How did you do that, Nat? You know what? Okay. The only thing is, like, if I keep going, I might not be as active, like hype. I can keep going, but like I'll end up I might be very boring, if I do. But we'll try it. Screw it. I mean, I'm still like third. Okay. So now we'll see. We'll see. I won't be able to like maintain the hypeness, and my focus might start taking a diarrhea dump soon. About the caffeine though, Airless, I'm actually drinking a Monster Java. Oh, they're really good. Anyway, let's continue. So, we... Oh, well, we want to underline these as well. Yeah, that was impressive. I mean, East 9 is a good game. This. Okay. Yeah, try that. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I will go ahead and stop because otherwise I might end up with burnout, and I don't want that to happen. So what I'll do, I'll update the Git. Happy face for the message. And Google Chrome. So if anyone wants to play around with it, you can do so here. Alrighty. Thank you all for watching. Bye, guys.